Welcome to Mama Princesses. Welcome to Mama Princesses.
Yes, hi guys. So today we have Zuru, Oosh, Cotton Candy Cuties. So these are scented, fluffy, stretchy slime. And you have a chance to collect. So there's slime, but there's a squishy in each of the slimes, hidden in each. So you get a chance of getting the strawberry, the kitty, the unicorn, cupcake, pudding, and orange. So each one of these big ones inside of the scented fluffy slime is a squishy. It's a surprise cutie inside. What do you want, baby?
I want the real coin.
Unicorn, yes. So these cotton candy cuties. So you get 2 large ones and then a medium one.
Cute.
I think only the large one gets the squishy slime. So these cotton candies is the latest amazing compound from Zuru, and each cotton candy cutie pop includes a sweet scented compound and a hidden slow rise collectible cutie. There are 4 amazing scents: strawberry, grape, lemon, and bubblegum, and 6 low rise cuties for you to collect. So expand your cotton candy world with a small cotton candy pop, which includes solely the compound. If you stretch this fluffy slime in both directions, you'll see where it gets its name. It looks just like cotton candy. So let's see how far you can stretch it before it crumbles. So we have the Zuru Squish slime. So this one is purple. I'm guessing it smells like grape.
And mine is
Ooh,
yellow.
it's really soft.
And mine is yellow.
Yes.
So
Oh, this smells like marshmallows. It's so nice. So we're gonna scratch it out and see how far it stretches. So it's soft and stretchy. Look at guys. It does look like cotton candy. And it's so light and fluffy. And smell, what does it smell like, baby? It smells like grape, huh?
yeah.
Smells so good. So let's see what's in our squishy. Our cutie surprise. So what do you think our cutie surprise is gonna be?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It's gonna be adorable.
It's going to, yes, it's gonna be adorable. You wanna open it up, Barbie?
So squishy.
It is the
cat.
It is the kitty. So our surprise kitty inside was a kitty.
Cute.
Ooh, and it's so soft.
Can I touch it?
So we got this kitty. The slow rising kitty. Okay, so we have one more big squishy to open.
Yeah.
I think this one's yellow, so we are guessing it smells like lemon.
So it's gonna be adorable.
Guys, this slime is so soft. Squish. It does look like cotton candy. You like it, Stacey? Yes!
I got a blind bag. Let's see who it is.
Let's see who we get.
I think it's the real coin.
We are hoping it's the unicorn.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, it does smell like lemon. The smell is not that strong, but you can kind of smell it.
I know who's got it.
What'd you get, Levy? It's not the unicorn?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Let's see who we
It
got.
looks like it's the pudding.
Ah.
The pudding.
Let's see.
The pudding. I think she got this one.
Hey, it's funny.
The pudding, yeah.
Funny.
Pudding.
Yep, it's pudding. Yep. And this quicksand is fun.
So it has cute little eyes
The
and it's cherry, like a raspberry cherry on top.
I think.
And it's so soft. Super soft, guys. You like it, Len?
Yeah. We have one more.
I love this little squish.
Yeah, it's so adorable.
I love this. It's like a, it's not really slime. I thought it was slime, but it is like a compound
It's so,
it feels
these are
super
so
soft.
adorable.
And I love you could stretch it so far.
Whoa! I just broke it.
You broke it?
Yeah, but I just put it together.
This is like so super soft. This is our actually first
And the squishy eye is so adorable.
time unboxing this type of stuff. Slime or compound.
He's so cute.
Super cute. So we have our last one.
Yeah.
And I think the little one is just the fluffy stretchy slime.
It smells so yummy.
They do smell yummy, huh?
The lemon smells pretty lemony.
Yeah, this smells really lemony. So the little one is lemony again.
This one's cute.
They are so cute. I really like the squishies. Sometimes the squishies aren't soft, but these ones are really soft.
And sometimes the squishies are so adorable. Yeah.
Yay. Super cute.
Look what I mixed up.
Let's see if it makes another color. They would just get like a lighter purple. They look like Laker colors. Laker slime. Okay, so it still stretches fine even though you combine it. It stretches so much.
Like a
It's so soft. I can't stop playing with it. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe. Get some of these Cotton Candy Cuties. They're super fun to play with.
Even so adorable.
They're even so adorable. Yes. Do you like it, Sage? Thumbs up? Yeah? Okay.
Thumbs up.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Mwah.